What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at Water's Edge, which you see now, and we'll take a peek at Water Lily. That's old. We're going to take a look at WellPoint, which is north of this, and then south of that WellPoint area called Edenfield. There's a few areas around this area in Eastport that we're going to be looking at. First one, though, this is Water's Edge. This is south of Eastport, downtown Eastport. And this area right here, the road we're flying over, that is Bexley Trail. And that leads all the way down into Shady Brook, on the south side of Shady Brook, I should say. Here's that Water's Edge Rec Center, Mail Center here, coming into shape with that kidney bean shaped pool there. It's been raining still quite a bit. We did dodge the second hurricane, or I guess that hurricane dodged us. So you can see downtown Eastport right in the background there. And here's a shot of that. Under construction, they're saying that the island on Central Lake is fully completed now. And you can see that in the background. We're going to fly over that. Eastport's starting to come together. They say that this is going to be completed at the end of 2025. There's going to be a hotel in this area. And quite a few nice amenities over here. Live entertainment is not going to be on the island, but it'll be off the island if I'm correct. And they want people or they say you can hang out on the island watching it. Now you can see the water here actually is a little bit higher. You see that shaded area around the island, and on the edge you can see those trees are kind of in the water. That's because the hurricane came through probably about a week, maybe 5 days or so before this video. So the water was it's higher than it typically would be. The top right, though, that's where the hotel is going. And it's going to be right on the water, similar to Lake Sumter, just not as big. This is just probably about, 5 minutes maybe from the Middleton area, which this is that Middleton area. I would assume when the football stadium gets rocking on a Friday night, you're going to be able to hear it from Eastport. I mean, unless there's live music going, then you probably won't. So they're doing the same thing in this area that they're doing in Middleton. They're building out that downtown area. You can kind of see where the main road is going to be coming in, where all the shopping and dining will be, right on this main drag here, where you see the roads or the buildings on each side. And this is towards that Middleton area that you just saw. Shady Brook is off in the distance, so is Moultrie Creek. And what we're flying over now is that Central Lake driving range, and then you can see the Bel Air executive course here. And this is 9-hole course growing in. I'm sure this will be ready probably by fall, maybe a little more. So here's WellPoint. WellPoint is the northernmost village in this entire area. And they have 3 main sections of housing that they've been working on, if you've watched any of the videos. We're flying east right now along the southern side of the Florida Turnpike. This is actually just south of the Okahumpka rest area on the Turnpike. And you have the Live Oak Pitch and Putt here, and then right next to it, headed toward the Southern Oaks Bridge is the Live Oaks Executive Course. All grown in, looking good. This is probably the best looking golf area I've seen, like progression wise, with all the grass grown in and stuff, in quite some time. This is just north of Edenfield, so, and northwest of Green Grove Hill. Green Grove Hill is on the other side of Bexley Trail, though, right up in the top right corner of your screen, and on the other side of Southern Oaks Bridge. So Southern Oaks Bridge is right there. It spans over the turnpike. It is multimodal. I've heard a couple things about the Southern Oaks Bridge that I've seen in comments about there's a corner or something along there that it's kind of narrow with the golf carts and the cars. So if you've heard anything about that, be sure to leave that in the comments. I'll make sure to put that in a video for you. And this is Edenfield that we're getting closer to, like the top right corner right there at the traffic circle as we span down, looking toward Eastport downtown area that you can see in the background. That road runs right alongside the softball fields and all that kind of stuff. So this area isn't under as much construction as WellPoint, but it is, you can see it is going in and they're building it out. The WellPoint Mail and Rec Center, we are going to fly over pretty quickly, and that's down toward the middle of WellPoint, but on the opposite side of the road. You can kind of see it in the top of the screen there. The rain was about to come in on me, so I was working to get this video going as quickly as I could. And we're going to fly all the way back to the front of WellPoint. You can kind of see the homes and everything there. You can see that rec center there in the middle of your screen. If you've stuck around this long, thank you very much. We are going to be checking out Richmond area next, and those new homes that they're building out there, and a few more areas in the next one. Let me know what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.